Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I'm gonna to show you how to fix VLC Media Player crashes when playing .mkv files. So friends, when you try to open MKV files, so on that time VLC Media not running properly. So to fix this error, firstly open VLC Media Player. So click on Start and type VLC. Now friends, in here you need to click on Tools. Now in here click on Preference. Now click on Input Codes. So here is the option Codes, and underneath Codes, Hardware Accelerated Decoding. So select Disable. In list you select Disable, then click on Save. Now close it and restart VLC Media Player. Hopefully by this method this error will be fixed. And still you are facing this type error, so uninstall VLC Media Player and after that reinstall. So friends, hopefully you like this video, and by this easy and simple method we can fix and solve VLC Media Player crashes when playing .mkv files. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel for latest update.